my guys, them know me since '06.
Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ria Kuvianani and I would like to personally welcome you to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to keep track with all my posting. I'm just going to be teaching you how you can change your background from this to this in a second. Well, before we get into this video, here are a few tricks that you should use in order for your video not to glitch and for your video to look very realistic. Number one, like wear a monotone color of top, like black, white, but it's pink, but just wear something that's going to be different from your background so it doesn't glitch when you are removing your background. Number two, use less amount of hand gesture because it can glitch in a second. I did a video and you can see the glitch. So that's that. Beside that, people recommend you don't wear earrings, but I don't see anything wrong with it if the earrings is really small. So keep that into consideration. All the tricks that I just taught you is to help you have the best results.
First thing first, you're gonna look for Leonardo AI on Google, and it's gonna open like this. You sign up, and then you generate your little prompt. They're gonna give you 142 little coins, and each time you generate, it take out 8 coins. But for this one, I wanted a background with an LED light that's purple with hanging trees. This is what it generated for me. I'm just gonna put the prompt in the description box for you guys to look at it later. And after that, I just picked the first one because it resonated more with whatever I wanted. So I save it into my phone. Then I'll open Canva, and I click on thumbnail for YouTube. Then so it can size up like it's a YouTube video. So I click on the first picture that I saved, and then I adjust it for it to be bigger. And so that's that. Then I save it into my phone. Then I save into my camera roll. I go to my CapCut. I open CapCut. Then I click on new project. Then I click on the picture that I just saved. So it will open. And then you get to adjust it to your length. Then I click on the video that I wanted to edit, which is this one. And they look a little bit something like this. Then you adjust it. Then you click on remove background for the video. So once you remove the background, it's going to take a while for it to generate it, but it's going to look a little bit like this, and then you get to adjust it. To make it more realistic, you're going to add blur to the background, but not too much, just a little bit, a dab. So I search it, and the one that I like to use actually for blur is the one with the guy that have a red top. That's pretty cool. That's just how I call it. So I just adjust it to the whole background. So right now I'm trying to adjust it. And so after that, I saved that. And then, because it was freezing, I don't want that. So I do upload it again, and then I'm gonna add now a filter. So I go with the clear too, but it's up to you, whatever you want. Then I add the sharpen so it can look more real in the background blur.
Okay guys, so this concludes that video. I hope you really liked it. If you like it, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, comment below, and show some love and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye bye.